In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document in Lark. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, the process is quick and consistent, and by the end you'll have a new document ready to go without worrying about manual saving. Start by opening Lark and heading to the section labeled Drive or Docs. This is the home for all your files within Lark. On desktop, you'll typically find Drive or Docs in the left sidebar. On mobile, look for it in the main navigation. Once you're in, you'll see your recent files and folders, but for now, we'll focus on creating something new. Look for the New button or a simple plus icon. Depending on your view, it might be at the top of the screen or near the bottom corner. This button is your starting point whenever you want to add anything new to your workspace. Click New or tap the plus. A small menu opens with different file types. Choose Document to create a standard text document. You may also see options like Sheet or MindNote. Those are for spreadsheets and mind maps, but for this walkthrough, we'll stick with Document. Selecting Document tells Lark to open a fresh blank page that you can use for notes, reports, meeting minutes, or anything else you need to write. A blank document will open immediately. Your cursor should be ready to type in the main body so you can start writing right away. You'll notice a formatting toolbar with options for headings, bold, bullets, and more. You don't need to set anything up in advance. Just start entering your content and adjust formatting as you go if you want a cleaner structure. If you're prompted to name the document, give it a clear title so it's easy to find later. If you don't see a prompt, you can click the title area at the top of the page to rename it at any time. A concise, descriptive name, like Project Plan Q3 or Team Meeting Notes, will save you time when searching. As you type, the file saves automatically to your drive. You don't need to press a Save button. Look for a small indicator near the title that confirms when changes are saved. If your connection drops, Lark will keep your edits and sync them once you're back online, so you can focus entirely on writing. That's it. Open Lark and go to Drive or Docs. Use New or the plus icon, choose Document. Start typing, name it if prompted, and let autosave handle the rest. You now know the simplest way to create a document in Lark.